two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Last birthday mo na to! Next year naman! Ano pangalan niya ate?
Princess Barbie Nicole Zaragoza.
Ilang taon?
16.
Wow! 16 ang tirada. Ma'am, single or taken?
Complicated.
Bakit complicated? Bakit complicated?
No comment.
Ay, no comment pa. Sir, no comment daw, oh. At tayo dyan, kasi birthday niya, pagbibigay natin siya. Magbigay ka ng tatlong katangian na gusto mo sa isang lalaki. Una.
Gentleman.
Gentleman ka siya. Pangalawa.
Matalino.
Matalino. Principal, guru namin. Pangatlo.
Guwapo.
Guwapo, matalino at ano daw?
Gentleman.
Gentleman. Okay, ikaw yung inaalap ito. Basi ako guru. Once again, happy birthday. Thank you so much for choosing Big Belly.